Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. In this video we will discuss about Supreme Court next hearing which is scheduled on 27th of September. We will also talk about when we can expect the schedule for MCC and the seat matrix plus brochure to get published. As we already know, the registration going on for all India and the registrations have started for many state councillings also. So we will talk on those, that what may be the next procedure and what when we can expect the counseling to start in full-fledged mode, apart from registration, the choice filling, seat matrix and everything. So the date for the next hearing, that is third hearing, is on 27th, and I'll tell you the petitioner advocate this time is Parul Shukla, and I will also give you the summary what happened since first hearing and the dates. The first hearing happened on 13th of 2024. Before we start, if you are interested for our paid counseling guidance services, so you can take the services from us, or you can book it, because it will be closed soon. And once we are expecting that this time when when the hearing happens in the Supreme Court, they will try to come to some conclusion and will give a go ahead for the counseling, like the schedule and the seat matrix brochure might get published soon. It depends on the direction from the Supreme Court, but the Supreme Court also understand that the counseling can't be delayed much because the examination got postponed for 1.5 months, and all these things happened. So they will give some clear cut direction maybe in the tomorrow's hearing. So in the first hearing, which happened on 13th of September 2024, let me tell you first regarding regarding what regions, okay, they have gone to the Supreme Court. This year the examination happened in two shifts, okay, which was not planned as per the brochure. They postponed the examination. They postponed the examination on just like 9 hours before the examination time, and they failed to get the dates in the soon time. So they made any kind of solution that we will conduct the examination two shifts because less number of centers are there. Okay, so that is a big change. And now how to standardize the process to normalize the things, means two shifts will be there, so the ranks will be normalized. So they have taken that process, but the candidates are getting a setback here because the rank they expected based on their preparation, they are not getting that rank, and they are getting so far rank, and there is no clarity, there is no transparency in the system. So the candidates are demanding for the question paper and the solution answer key. So that was the point in the first hearing. The CGI said that we want the question paper and the answer key for paper 1 and paper 2. The objection was answer options were wrong, and then petitioner advocate said that the final score didn't tally. The counseling is about to start on 20th September. It was the conversation from the first hearing. Okay, then CGI mentioned that okay, we have come on the last minute, so we will keep on Friday, means after 1 week. The next hearing happened on 20th of September. Okay, there is a little twist in the main cause of the case. The petitioner advocate said that there are no rules and there are no creativities. Okay, the exam pattern was changed 3 days before the examination. Changing the exam pattern 3 days before the examination is kind of like disaster for the aspirants. Okay, that's what CGI mentioned, that we issue notice to NBE and we issue notice to Union of India. Okay, and list this case after 1 week. They didn't give much time, like 2-3 minutes only. It happened in the second hearing. Since they said that since it's urgent, so we are listing it within 1 week. And to NBE, Supreme Court said that you are playing with the life of students. It's very unusual that you change the pattern 3 days before the examination. Okay, students will have a meltdown. So this is what happened till last hearing, and officially it is listed on 27th of September. As you can see here, we have got it from the Supreme Court website. So what may happen on 27th of September? There are two limitations the Supreme Court and government do not have much time to delay it further. Like every hearing is happening like after 1 week. Okay, so if they give further time, it will be happening after 1 week, which will be in the month of October. So till now they have done the registration. I believe the purpose of doing the registration is to move forward with the process as much they could do. Okay, and they didn't publish the seat matrix and brochure, because as per the direction from Supreme Court they might need to tweak little bit, so they have not published their rule book, that is brochure. But registration will also take time, so at least they have decided to move forward with the registration, and once they give some clarity and go ahead from the Supreme Court, they will soon release on the same day as it happened on the last hearing. Just few hours after hearing, they release notice, urgent notice, that the registration is going to start. Rest of the things will be published soon, but it is not published yet after 1 week of time. So they are trying to complete all the formalities, registration formalities, security deposit payment and all things beforehand, so that the least amount of time will be required for completing the rest of the procedure, like choice filling, merit list, seat matrix and the allotment procedure. Okay, so and state level registrations are also going on. I'll tell you which state level registrations are going on currently. In Punjab is ongoing. The last date is up to 30th of September, and it's one-time registration. That is major changes they have done this time. In the state of UP, the last date is 28th of September, and it's one-time registration. In Uttarakhand is going on. Last date is 30th of September, and in the state of Rajasthan is happening from since yesterday 25th onwards. There is no last date. Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, they all have already closed the registration, and apart from this, Sikkim and Nepal registration is going on. So many states have started with the registrations, and these are important states because they allow the candidates from other states also to apply for private seats in this in that state. So we have to wait and watch what will happen in the next hearing, which is scheduled tomorrow. Okay, depending on the next hearing only, it will be decided whether it will be delayed more, or they will start with their rest of the counseling process, that is choice filling, seat matrix. Regarding the seat matrix, the seats are not clear. Okay, but they have released the participating institutes on MCC website, where you can go ahead and see like which are the new institutes. When you click on the new institutes, okay, it won't show further details because they have not furnished any details for the new institute, but the list has the new details entry over there. That's how you can recognize these are the new institutes. Okay, so that's all I wanted to share with you from this session. Okay, we will meet again with other important updates and analysis. So stay tuned with our channel and Telegram groups, WhatsApp groups, and you can also avail our paid packages. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.